When you take on the energy and the feeling of what you want to create, your intent or desire becomes ultimately your reality. So we're talking about how to align your energy. So the question is, what is energy? Within our context, we're going to describe energy as an aura or a feeling. Or you can see energy is a vibration, and you will not be wrong. In a physical world, energy is said to be such that it can neither be created nor destroyed. It is merely transferred from one place to the other. So it is. We're not about to recreate this energy. In fact, you already have energy trapped within you. You are a mass of energy. So I'll talk about a concept. There's what you call energy triggers. And these energy triggers are your inbuilt creative mechanism as a human being. And these triggers are bits and pieces of energy too. And this is exactly what you use to create the aura, that vibe of energy as far as manifestation is concerned. So your energy triggers, they are your thoughts, visualization, affirmation, feeling, or your emotion, as the case may be. And so your thoughts, now you know it's a source of energy. Your visualization carries a whole lot of energy. Your affirmation, as well as your emotion. So since you already know this, to align your energy now becomes easy peasy. So what do? You align your energy towards your intent and towards your desire. So remember, these creative elements of yours, they are actually bits and pieces of energy. They are your energy triggers. So to create that atmosphere, that aura, so what are you going to do exactly? You wrap, for instance, your positive thought around your intent. And then taking it further, you use affirmations, concise, positive words. That's what affirmation is. Regarding that which you want to manifest, you have to have some good, concise, positive words, good affirmations as regards that. And so then you use your imagination. You have to paint positive images of your intent and desire. And then finally, you have to take on the feeling of what it is that you want to create. You just have to get into the skin of that intent and desire of yours. And then draw it closer. Feel what it feels like. For instance, you want abundance. You don't have to wait until you are abundant before you try to begin to feel what it feels like. Use your feeling to attract it. Once you're able to do this, then manifestation becomes easy. There's a concept that I actually want to talk about quickly before we round this up. And in fact, it is by far one of the most important things that you're going to have to do. And this is the reason why a whole lot of people complain that they try out, the law of manifestation is not working for them. They've tried a couple of things and this and that. They've done affirmations, they've done visualization and all whatnot. But the truth of the matter is, for you to achieve anything first, you have to align with the creative force of the universe. That's the truth of the matter. You've got to be in agreement, in alignment with the creative force of the universe. And how exactly are you able to do that? You've got to activate the positive emotion of love, gratitude, and happiness. It is under this atmosphere that anything meaningful can be achieved. I can tell you, if you're at loggerhead with the creative force of the universe, if you are at variant with the creative force of the universe, what happens is, instead of positive things to be happening to you, you just might be getting the direct opposite of what you want. For instance, you want money. Money will fall from your pocket. Why? Because you are at variance. You are at loggerhead with the creative force of the universe. And then, why is this? How is this exactly? When you harbor the wrong emotions, when you harbor the negative emotions like contention, strife, and bitterness, what you have done is you have either slowed down your manifestation process or you have locked yourself out completely. That's the truth of the matter. This is exactly the concept that a lot of people do not understand, and they think that they try out something, they try and try and try, nothing seems to be working. It seems as if you are swimming against the tide. Try to make peace with the creative force of the universe, and then watch your intent and desire come to life and come to pass faster than you can ever imagine. I'm glad you could watch this video. I'll see you in the next one.